On June 30, 1890, a workman for the family of James O'Connor was draining an old pond in their back garden at No. 1 Seapoint Avenue, Blackrock, County Dublin, Ireland. While the workman was draining the pond, the children noticed mussels in the bed of the pond and with excitement began to harvest them. Their mother, Mary O'Connor, prepared the mussels for herself and her 5 daughters, Annie aged 13, Aileen aged 10, Mary aged 9, Kathleen aged 7 and Nora aged 5. Soon after eating the mussels, all 6 family members became violently ill and within 2 hours 5 of them would be dead. Mary, also known as Moya, would be the only survivor. An inquest would find that the deaths were caused by accidental poisoning from eating tainted mussels from a pond that had a number of sewage outlets leading into it, causing the water to be stagnant and the mussels poisonous. Mary's husband, James O'Connor, was a prominent Fenian and journalist for the United Ireland newspaper and who at one time was imprisoned for feloniously conspiring to depose the Queen. Ironically, he would later espouse the parliamentary tradition, swear an oath of allegiance to the Queen and serve as a Member of Parliament in Westminster for West Wicklow from 1892 until his death in 1910. The headstone in Glasnevin Cemetery depicts an angel and 4 cherubs. The angel symbolizes their mother Mary, aged 43, and the cherubs represent her 4 daughters, Annie aged 13, Aileen aged 10, Kathleen aged 7 and Nora aged 5. Burial plot: the O'Connell section XE 192-3. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And drop a comment, as every bit helps.